The Inogen 1 G5 provides unparalleled freedom and independence for oxygen patients everywhere.
Portable oxygen concentrators produce medical-grade oxygen from ambient air by drawing the air in and filtering it through columns of a sand-like substance called zeolite, which is also called Sieve. Eventually, these columns, or sieve beds, lose their filtering ability and need to be replaced. The good news is that when this happens, you don't have to go without your concentrator. It's a very easy process that you can do yourself. You don't need any tools, and it just takes a few minutes to complete. Your machine will let you know when it's time to change your sieve columns by giving you a low purity error. When you see this error, you can use your machine as normal. It's still working fine. It's just letting you know that you have 30 days to change your sieve beds. Just give us a call and we'll get some columns sent right out to you. Once they arrive, to change your sieve beds, the first thing you do is remove the battery. You'll notice the sieve columns inside. Just raise up the metal handle and push down the release button. The columns will slide right out. You can just go ahead and dispose of the old columns. Be sure to take the rubber covers off the top of the new columns. Notice that your columns have a rounded side and a side with 2 notches. Be sure to match the notches with the ones on the concentrator. Slide the column straight in and push the release button over and click the new columns into place. That's all there is to it. Then go ahead and replace the battery. To reset the sieve bed hour counter on the machine, turn the machine on, press and hold the plus and minus buttons for 5 seconds and you'll see the sieve column icon. Press the alarm button once and you'll see this icon. If you're using the Inogen Connect app, navigate to the advanced screen, scroll to additional information, and click on the column reset button.